make your own Roblox shirt to earn Robux. There are thousands of developers and Roblox players are creating the Roblox shirts and selling it to earn the Robux points and then convert to cash. In this tutorial, I have already downloaded the Paint.net tool to create the PNG image. Now I am opening the Roblox website to download the Roblox shirts template. Let's download the Roblox shirts templates in some specific directories. Officially, these colorful templates are available in the Roblox websites, and this is the prerequisites requirement of Roblox. To create the content, Roblox template has to be used so that when PNG image has to be uploaded back in the Roblox website, then Roblox can understand the format of contents like shirts. Let's open the downloaded PNG image into the Paint.net tool. Now we need to clean the background color of the template from the Roblox shirts template. After doing this, save this template for the next shirt development. Otherwise, same activity have to be done again and again. Let's do edit and cut. Or use the keyboard option Ctrl+X. Now, we need to perform the more cleanup to get the good templates. Otherwise these dotted colorful will look bad on the final shirts. Save this template for the next shirt development. Otherwise, same activity have to be done again and again. Now opening the other 3 images in the Paint.net tool. These images will be used in the creation of Roblox shirts. We'll see when it will be used. Let's select the tiger logo image using the Ctrl+A then Ctrl+C. Objective is to copy the tiger image into the shirt template. Now in the shirt template, press the Ctrl+V. Let's adjust the tiger logo image into the front image of shirt. Let's select the another tiger logo image using the Ctrl+A then Ctrl+C. Objective is to copy the tiger image into the shirt template. Now in the shirt template press the Ctrl+V. Let's adjust the tiger logo image into the back image of shirt. Now, going to provide the same blue color in the up or U section of Roblox shirt templates. Now, going to provide the same orange color in the down or D section of Roblox shirt templates. Now, I am interested to fill the front arm of both left hand and right hand side with the tiger skin. So, I will adjust the image of tiger skin according to the requirement. Now our PNG image is ready. Let's save it, and in the next steps, we need to publish into the Roblox repository so that I can sell the Roblox shirts to generate Robux points. Let me assign some good name to my Roblox shirts, and then after that I will configure it for sale purpose. One important thing to sell the items, you must have Roblox premium accounts. Let's assign your sale value for published items and save it. You can add the more description about the shirts or catalog items. I am adding her some info at least so buyers can get some info about the shirts. Save it. Now give at least 10 minutes to the Roblox to validate and authenticate your contents to make sure you are not using the illegal, malicious and copyrighted contents in your Roblox shirts. Now, I will check in the Bloxburg Roblox game, how it looks like after applying the new published shirts. It's look like good to me, a tiger fancy shirts. Not a bad shirts after putting the 2 days of efforts on learning how to make a Roblox shirts. Hurry, great shirts. Let's play in the game and move here and there to look what you can do more with the shirts. So, if I look in my Roblox shirts, I have tiger logo in the front and back of the shirts. And shirts sleeves are full of tiger skin. Colors on the shirts are same on the both left and right side. It's full of fancy color and looks beautiful. This effort was taken the full 2 days to make a sample shirts. I am sure, if you guys put more some number of hours then would be able to make your own Roblox shirts as well as generate the Robux points. In my tutorial, I have tried to touch the all basic functionality to make own Roblox shirts. From making, to publish and then apply on avatar. If you find this tutorial is helpful, please consider to subscribe to my channel. Keep liking and commenting on videos. Oh, somebody has purchased my another butterfly theme based shirts. I would like to say thank you all for watching.